Okay, now we're going to deal with a little more complicated looking rational expression. It's a trinomial over a trinomial. Now first thing what you're going to be tempted to do is reduce the x squared with the x squared. Now since x squared and x squared on the bottom are not factors of the top, they're simply parts of an expression, they can't be reduced. Only factors can be reduced. So what we have to do is break this trinomial and this trinomial up into two factors which are multiplied together. So I'm going to do this in my head, and if you want to check you can, make sure it's right. But the top one is going to factor as x and -3 and -4. So now we've got two factors that we changed from the expression into two factors. On the bottom we're going to do the same thing. We're going to have x and x, what multiplies to make 3, -3, +1. Now you notice that we have a factor that's exactly the same on the bottom as it is the top. They're factors because they're multiplied. So I can cross off x minus 3 and x minus 3 because that reduces to 1. The temptation is going to be again to factor out these x's or possibly these numbers if they did reduce, but they don't because these are not factors. Each of the parentheses are the factors. So don't succumb to the temptation to factor out numbers that aren't factors. The final answer is x minus 4 on top, x plus 1 on the bottom. And that's simplifying rational expressions.